5 interesting facts about chicken. 1. Chickens are domesticated birds that are a common source of food and eggs for humans. 2. They come in a variety of breeds, each with its own characteristics and appearance. 3. Chickens are highly adaptable and can be found in various environments worldwide. 4. They have a hierarchy within their social groups, known as a pecking order, where dominant individuals establish their rank. 5. Chickens have a diverse range of vocalizations and behaviors, using different sounds to communicate danger, assert dominance, or signal food availability.